Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Today we are going to crush this cable box and its remote control. And remember, if you have any unnecessary electronics at your home, pressing is always a good way to recycle them all. Let's see. The cable box got pressed quite well. There is now very easy to do rest of recycling process when all the bits and parts are easy to remove. But where the remote control went, I think we lost that. It seems that we accidentally dropped our remote control to liquid nitrogen, so it's very cold and dangerous now. Yeah, especially the remote control get regulated very good. It's just fine dust. It is gone. I think we maybe should drop it also this cable box to liquid nitrogen, but maybe next time. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content we have this dinosaur. This one is Tyrannosaurus Press and it is extremely dangerous because he has such a humongous teeth. We must deal with it.